David, aka RVJedeye, aka RVJedeye, wishing you a happy new year, and hopefully 2024 is going to be a great one for you and your loved ones. Now, every year I look back at the previous year to see where I ended up, what my hopes and dreams were for the previous year, in this case 2023, and how I ended up the year. I set goals at the beginning of the year primarily for myself. I think it's a great thing to do. I also set them for this channel. So it's nice to be able to go back once the year is done and see how everything mapped out. So in this video, we're going to take a look at some of the highlights from 2023. We'll look back to the actual video that I shot at the first part of the year and see how everything ended up. So one of the things we're going to do this year is redesign the website, RVJedeye.com. It is a companion to this YouTube channel where you can go over and get more information. And I think it's really important to make sure that we have a really good user experience when you go over there. So look for some changes to come to that pretty soon. The second thing I'm going to do, I want to broaden the scope of the channel. I want to do some more content that's not just car camping. Of course, I'm going to have car camping content. I love doing that. I love exploring. I'm also going to have RV updates whenever I have an update on the RV. But I also want to do some more things here in Seattle, share my life with you guys, and hopefully that will be interesting to you. If not, you'll let me know. But I want to broaden the scope of the channel just a little bit in 2023. Now, the third thing, and this is a tough one for me, I have to reassess whether or not I continue to do my chefing it up cooking videos on the channel. Hear me out on this one. I get a lot of great comments and I love hearing from you guys. I love to cook and chef it up on the road. But when I look at the analytics of the videos, not a lot of people are coming over and actually watching them. So I have to make a hard choice. Should I continue to keep doing the chefing it up videos? Should I push them away? I don't know yet, but what do you say? Let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. Again, I love cooking and I love sharing it, and some of that will be part of the channel moving forward, but I don't know whether or not I'll do dedicated videos to all of the cooking. Right now, as I kick off 2023, I have 8,680 subscribers roughly. My goal for this year is really to get up to 10,000. I don't even know if I can, but I'm going to certainly try. And with your help, sharing the videos, asking folks to subscribe, maybe I'll hit that 10,000 mark, maybe not, but I'm certainly going to try. Boy, I was very ambitious for 2023. I hit some of those goals, I missed some of them, and we'll talk a little bit more about the whole process. But, it's kind of nice to be able to look back and look at the beginning of a year and then see how I ended up at the end of last year, end of 2023. Now, as I mentioned, there were a couple of things that I didn't get a chance to do. I'm going to put a link to this old video in the description below, so you'll be able to kind of go back and look at that and see how things compared. But, one of the things that I really wanted to do was freshen up the channel and also work on my website and all of my social media. I didn't get a chance to do a lot of that, so I'm looking forward to doing a lot more of that in 2024. Not sure when it's going to shake out, but I want I want the channel and I want the social media and RVJedeye.com to continue to grow, and that's one of the big things that I want to do. The other thing, obviously, is I want to continue to broaden the channel. Yes, this is always going to be about RVing, camping, car camping, chefing it up, but I do want to broaden out and do some other things and take you along with me. Obviously, I want to continue to grow the channel. As of right now, I have 9,496 subscribers, and thank you to each and every one of you. It really means a lot that you're following along on this journey. I set a goal last year to reach 10,000 subscribers. I didn't hit that, so I am going to try and really push to hit that goal, but also to push myself a little bit further and shoot for 11,000 subscribers in 2024. And then two of the really big goals for 2023, and actually even before that, is one, I was able to pay off my RV, and that was huge. And then I was also able to pay off my Subaru Crosstrek, which was also big. So two big payments on a regular basis off the books, and that was absolutely huge for me in 2023. So, coming up in 2024, the biggest goal, and we've been talking about it for the last several months, is I'm hoping to get a new rig, a new RV. I'm going to get into all the specifics about what I'm looking for and how I'm going to do that in the next couple of weeks. But overall, the big accomplishment or the big goal for me for 2024 is to find a new RV, or a new to me RV. And I'm excited about that prospect. I missed having my Winnebago Sightseer, aka the Death Star, which is now gone. But I'm excited at the process of finding what is going to be next out there. I enjoy RVing. It's a big part of my life, and I'm looking forward to doing it again on the road and taking you with me. So there you have it, my goals for 2024. I'm sure there are going to be a lot more that will come along as we go through the year. You know it, it's ups and downs, the good, bad, and the ugly, and I'm sharing it all with you. I really enjoy the lifestyle of RVing, and I'm excited to see what will happen in 2024. I do expect to do some car camping as well. So this next year, this year now, is going to be really, really exciting for all of us. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJedeye. And then, of course, you can follow me on my website at RVJedeye.com. Get out there. I hope you have an amazing 2024. Thanks for following me last year. Share this out with some of your friends. Who knows? Maybe we'll get some more subscribers that way. But all in all, I'm just glad to be here and glad to be starting another year. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.